everybody. Hi, welcome. So happy you're here. If you are returning, thank you for the amazing support. If you're new, I'm Laura. The little girl running away from us is Xena. Wyatt is the white puppy dog. We do subscription box unboxing shopping hauls up to the day, and I do try to mix it up. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe and hang out with us. I could really use the support. If you have, thank you. Today, I have my FabFitFun box for you. So this came as a surprise for me. So obviously I know I subscribe, but usually, and I might have and totally missed it, and Wyatt is very interested in this box. Let me tell you, there must be something very good in here because he wants to unbox it and he thinks it's a giant bark box. So he may be helping me with this one. But usually I get an email telling me it's time for me to pick my customizations, tells me, you know, lets me make some choices. So if they sent me an email about it, I totally missed it. I do this on the annual basis, so I pay for it a year in advance. And you're doing this the hard way, buddy. So I'm not sure what is inside my box because I did not pick anything. Obviously, they picked everything for me this time, and Wyatt's going to help me with this. So $49.99 a season. You do get this every season. Usually it's you get products worth $200 or more, depending on what items that you pick. And you do get to pick additional add-ons if you'd like. So you can shop for other products as well to come with your box. You won't see any add-ons. Hi, buddy. You're going to help me today. He's very interested in this box. You normally don't see this type of engagement from Wyatt, unless it's a bark box. So you can add additional items if you catch your email and you do that to get extra items on top of the items that come inside your box. Okay, if you use my link down below to sign up, you'll get $10 off your first box, and it is a lifestyle subscription. Boy, what's inside here, Wyatt? You are so interested. So you always get a booklet that'll tell you about the items. Okay, bud. Go ahead, rip it open, buddy. Rip it open. All right, and then you'll get some advertisements like for HelloFresh, Discover Wines, things like that. So this is the Spring 2022 box, and it says Best Day Ever. So I wonder if that is the theme. Why is so funny? So it says, just part of the editor's note, it says, "Hi, FabFitFun friends. Something about spring always creates the idea of hope. It's a time of transformation and change. And after 2021, I think we're all ready for a new beginning. Look, none of us know what will happen in 2022, but if we have to be on this random roller coaster, I'm happy we're doing it together. From a safe distance, of course," it says. And trying to stay positive here, I kind of like the unexpected. The idea that anything is possible is part of the inspiration for FabFitFun, hopefully part of the reason you keep coming back. I want our spring box to give you that good, unexpected feeling when joy comes into your life, a weirdly not awkward first date, an unplanned road trip with your BFF, a kiss from a puppy on your evening walk, a new hobby that lifts your spirits, or that perfect product in your spring box that just makes you feel good about yourself. So it goes on. I'm not going to keep reading. We're just going to see what's in my box now. So this is all about an unexpected surprise. And it was for me, since I didn't even know it was coming. Let's dig right in. So it looks like I need to scan my code, the QR code, to potentially see what's inside my box. So let me do that. All right, so I've scanned the QR code and we're ready to get started on my items in the box. First thing I see is this huge container. This is a Christopher Robin Regenerating Mask with prickly pear oil. And you can see this is 8.4 full ounces. So the MSRP on this is $69. And it says, this incredible mask has selected natural ingredients that complement one another, resulting in deep and lasting rejuvenation. It's concentrated in prickly pear oil, a precious natural remedy that has one of the highest concentrations of antioxidants, moisturizers, and repairing agents of any plant substance, while plant ceramides deeply restructure hair to make it stronger and shinier. So it's for all hair types, especially dry or damaged hair. It is vegan. And I am wondering if, I'm going to read this. I wonder if you can like leave this on your hair or if you just leave it on for a few minutes. You're looking a paw baby. It says after the regenerating shampoo, apply a small amount onto wet hair, massage gently throughout the hair, and then starting at the scalp, and you leave it on for up to 5 minutes before rinsing thoroughly. Next up, what do I have here? This is by London Town, and this is called the Winky Lux in the Stars Lip Oil, and it looks like there is cuticle cream. Let's see if I can open this. All right, so this is the cuticle cream. I love cuticle cream. I use this all the time, especially right after I get my nails done. I'm always coming home, and for the next 3 or 4 days, I put cuticle cream on all the time. So here's what it looks like. And this one is 0.09 fluid ounces. And it says that it is vegan. It's by a female-founded company. A light deluxe cream infused with powerful probiotics and rice water, simply applied to dehydrated cuticles to restore balance and hydration while encouraging nails to look healthier and stronger. So I like this size as well because you could use this for travel or to keep it in your purse. Okay, and then the lip oil, also by Winky Lux, says that this is 0.13 ounce. And this is supercharged with potent peptides. This glossy oil, here's what it looks like. Keeps lips hydrated and nourished with avocado, sunflower, olive, and jojoba oils, featuring tiny stars for a little something extra. This oil gives up a dose of antioxidant goodness. You see the little, it does look like it has little tiny stars in there. That's funny. Little sparkly too. Can you guys see that? There's little sparkles in there. All right, another good one to keep in your purse. This bundle is valued at $40. Inside your inside the box, and if you were to buy it as an add-on, I think it would be only $10. So awesome discounts. Next up, so I got Clippies, a 2-pack of Clippies. It says MSRP $33, but inside here would be 7. These are big ones. It says keep hair out of your face with either of these two claw clips. This set of 2 includes 1 brown tortoise and 1 black for ultimate hair accessories. They are acrylic. You like these, buddy? These are really big ones. They seem sturdy. These might be a little bit too big for me, but they look really nice. Let me get one off so I can show it to you. You guys can see how big it is. These are large. Get all of your hair at once, right? Hold it up. If you're getting a shower and don't want to get your hair wet, this would be perfect. Okay. What do you think? Huh, Wyatt? You want me to put your hair up? Let me put your hair up. Huh? All right. Next up, I have something from Kate Spade. These are called, let's see, the Kate Spade Mini Small Square Stud Earrings. They do come with a little dust bag. What do you think, Wyatt? Oh, these are pretty. They're a decent size. Check those out. They're almost opaly. Wyatt is so intrigued with this box. Now he's playing with bubble wrap. They are 0.38 inches by 0.38 inches. They're faceted resin, gold-plated metal, and titanium posts. $32. Those are very pretty. Do you like those, Wyatt? Okay. Next, I have something from Pharmacy. This is Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. MSRP on this is $45. It says an intense moisturizer that replenishes dry, distressed skin with lasting hydration. It also helps visibly plump the skin and remove the look of fine lines. This is 1.7 ounces. Paraben-free, formaldehyde, donor-free, synthetic fragrance-free, phthalate-free, mineral oil-free, and cruelty-free. And it even comes with a little spatula. Let's see what this smells like. What do you think? Oh. Doesn't have a smell. If it is, it's very faint. I can't really smell anything at all. Apply to clean face, AM and PM. Avoid direct contact with eyes. All right, seems simple enough. What is very interesting in this pause, oh, and this is magnetic, so see, it sticks right to it there. That's a cool feature. And I have one more thing here in my box that I got. I do like the moisturizers. I always seem to be looking for a moisturizer. And this is a spoon rest, of which I did not pick, but was chosen for me. This is valued at $30, it says. A chic and sizable spoon rest with a color block gray and white design that looks gorgeous in your kitchen and keeps countertops clean while you're cooking up a big batch of soup. It's 6.96 inches by 4.76 inches. It's made out of stoneware and it is dishwasher safe. I actually really like this because I tend to just pull out like a small dish and put my spoons on it. So this is nice. I never really worried about a spoon rest, but this will work just fine. And it goes in my kitchen really well. And that's everything. They didn't do too bad. Considering I didn't make any of these choices, they did really well. That's all my pieces. What do you think? I do enjoy FabFitFun. I think they sent a nice collection. I love that they sent some beauty products, houseware, jewelry. So it was a good combination this time around for spring. Let me know what you thought. And I like that I got something for the hair and something like for the face. And then of course I got the lips as well as the cuticles, right? So it was a nice variety. All right, I will put all the information for FabFitFun down below for you, just in case you'd like to check out this subscription. Thanks for hanging out with me today. This was fun. I love that the spring boxes are starting to come in. If you enjoyed this, give it a like before you go. I love it that you hung out with me. I hope you hit that subscribe as well if you already have, as I said earlier. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.